Yes, you may be saying you have left us out. How to save $17 per each tank using a smaller vehicle which is up to 75 liters capacity. Earlier on, we are talking about 455, where you save $76 per tank. Now, I'm here to talk about $17 on a 75-liter capacity. To use X-Caps, MPG X-Caps, it's possible. You can ask me how on the link below there or the number below there. I'll be able to explain. Where you are saving $17 per topping up. MPG X-Caps will give you back your $17 for each tank you fill up to 75 liters. Is that not good news? Is that not